Greetings to all lovers of quality and stylish wristwatches. Today, I want to tell you about the Invicta watch brand. Invicta is a Swiss brand that began its history in 1837. It was founded by Raphael Picard in the city of Local, which is located in the canton of Neuchâtel. Since the brand was created, it has been constantly improving and expanding its line of watches. Today, Invicta is a brand that is renowned for its high quality and innovative technologies that allow you to create watches that work perfectly in any conditions. The brand is known for its flamboyant designs that combine American maximalism with Swiss quality. This allows you to create watches that are not only functional, but also very attractive. The most important feature of Invicta watches is their technical reliability and durability. The brand makes sure that their watches work perfectly in any conditions, and for this they use the most advanced technologies and materials. They are suitable for everyday use, as well as for more extreme conditions, such as diving or traveling to the mountains. The 50mm steel case Invicta watch features sapphire glass, one of the most durable watch glass materials. The self-winding mechanical movement provides a power reserve of 48 hours, making them very comfortable for everyday use. The watch features hours, minutes and date functions and is water resistant up to 1,000 meters, making it ideal for diving and other water sports enthusiasts. Although this Invicta watch has been previously used and has minor signs of wear, it is still in excellent condition. The weight of 419 grams makes this watch very heavy, and it is best suited for confident men's wrists. They are perfect for those who appreciate reliability, quality, and unique design. If you enjoyed this video review of watches and are interested in the topic, then subscribing to the channel will help you not to miss new reviews of watches and other interesting videos. Whether it's stories about novelties in the watch world, the history of the creation of legendary models, reviews of various brands and their characteristics, or advice on choosing and caring for watches on the channel, you will find a lot of interesting videos. Best wishes, your Citadel Watch.